How to add transit pass in Google Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a transport or transit pass to your Google Wallet. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Wallet app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are on the home page of the Google Wallet, just tap on Add to Wallet button, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the menu section. Now here, you can see the option labeled as Transport Pass. So simply tap on it. And now here, after that, you'll see list of supported transit agencies in your regions. So here, simply scroll down and select the one to find your local transit agency. And now here, once you have found it, just tap on it, and now you can follow the prompts to add your transit, and this may include entering your card number or signing in to your transit account. And once added, your pass will appear in Google Wallet. And that's it. That's how you can add a transit pass to Google Wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.